Come here. Brothers, look at this car. Let's try to start it. It failed to start. I'll try again. The water temperature is normal, but it just won't start. The owner told me that he can only start the car successfully in the morning and it will never start again after it is turned off. Do you know the reason? Let's check it out. This situation is that the cold car is easy to start, but the hot car is difficult to start. Generally speaking, if this problem occurs, it means that the part is broken. It is called a water temperature sensor. Its function is to control the amount of fuel injection according to the temperature of the engine. If something goes wrong, the car will become like this. But the owner told me that he had already replaced the water temperature sensor. So what is the reason? Oh, it occurred to me. Many repair shops ignore this part. If it breaks down, this problem will also occur. Come, let's look here. Right here. It's called the intake air temperature sensor. Let's dismantle it first and check it out. The removal method is very simple. No tools are needed. Just your hands. Come. First pull down the resonant box. Put it aside. Then you see there is a plug underneath. We unplug the plug. Then unplug the sensor. Okay, now it is disassembled. Oh my god! I know what the problem is. Come, take a look. There is so much sludge on it. Do you see it? The dirt has covered the sensor. No wonder the car won't start. The problem was found. The solution is very simple. Let me teach you now. Find a bottle of cleaning agent. Clean the sludge off it. Look at it. It's so dirty. Look, the sensor looks like new after cleaning. After we clean it, we install it back to its original position. The installation method is very simple. Look here. There is a small hole here. We put the sensor into the small hole and insert it. Okay. Plug the plug back in. Reinstall the resonant box. Okay, done. It's done. Next, we start the car. See if it works. Brothers, if the problem is solved, please give me a like and support me. Come. The next time is to show the results. Let's turn the car key. Step on the brake. Shift to peak gear. 3, 2, 1. Pay attention. See, the car starts successfully. To avoid accidents, we try again. 3, 2, 1. The second start was successful. The problem of this car has been solved. If you have any other car problems, please leave a message in the comment area.